Served you well, didn't it?
Yeah, it
You
did.
didn't let the emotional side of things get to you there.
No.
And it was more successful.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Yeah.
That's what you've got to try and do. The lack of space with the vehicles parked on the right is something that we've got to contend with.
Yeah.
So what should we do you think? Stop here now. Stop here now. Stop now.
Oh.
Now. Good.
Oh, I see.
No, these.
Oh.
What if you budged up there behind the red car and a bus came?
Oh.
Would it fit through?
No, it wouldn't.
No, it wouldn't. So here. Wait till we can get past these before we go. Yeah, creep. If they move, sound. Now, you've gambled a bit because
Oh.
you can actually go up quite close to the red one now.
Oh.
Go on, you'll have to go quite close. But you actually gambled there. What was it talking to you about, Liv?
Even space for the bus.
So, look at your right shoulder where the van is.
Yeah.
If a bus came the other way now, would it fit through?
No, it wouldn't. I just assumed that everything would move.
Was it moving though?
No, it wasn't.
I don't think a bus is going to come with the amount of traffic that's blocked up the road. And in any case, we could probably budge up a little.
Okay.
No.
Oh.
If a bus came.
Oh, okay.
We've got a little bit of budge room.
Yeah.
That's why I've let you go with it.
Right, okay.
But you shouldn't have done.
No,
you
I
should
shouldn't
have
have.
still been waiting back there. What about the car behind us as well?
Yeah, they've...
So there's no in the world that even budging up a little bit would help a bus, would it?
No.
Ha! There's a lorry coming!
Oh,
Brilliant!
God.
Clutch down, put it in first in case there's anything we can do. See what I mean?
Oh,
creep
Christ.
forward a little. Just creep forward a little. Good. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, I created a bit of a situation there, didn't I?
Not really. The car behind was more of a create than you.
Right.
But notice when it came, we did what we could to make it better.
Yeah.
Agreed?
Yeah.
If you're not a part of the solution, you're a part of the problem.
Yeah.
Be a part of the solution.
Yeah. That's a lesson there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It is, isn't it? Which is
Yeah.
really good. Even though
Yeah.
you made a little mistake.
I won't do it again.
Does it matter? No, just learn from it next time.
Yeah.
That's all. No problems.